Hello everyone. This video we are going to look for technical analysis. Okay, the simple technique for baseline chart. So what is baseline chart and what is a useful for this chart? How we can predict for the stock price movement? Okay, so it will be a bullish or bearish or price breakout. Okay, these all those things we can predict with the help of this simple charting techniques. Okay, so that is a thing we are going to look in this video. As you're looking for technical analysis, in a sense this will be the beginners to learn it. Okay, so as you're coming for stock market as a new, you did not know how the price fluctuations will be there. Right now respective stock will be in bullish or bearish. Okay, for bullish in a sense what, uptrend. Okay, for bearish in a sense downtrend. So in order to predict for the small things, that is a thing I'm going to explain to you. Okay, if you're looking for this respective technique in a sense, you can stay tuned and watch over here. Okay, in a simple way how you can predict the stock moment, that is what we are going to look. Okay, let's see. Okay, from here what you need to do, if you're going to type it from here, I have taken for Emirates NBD. Okay, this will be taken for TradingView website. Okay, so you can type it at any banks or any companies. Okay, this respective bank listed in DFM, I have taken this one. You can take it at any stock. Okay, so once you open, this is a way the interface will be coming. Okay, and from here the dark theme I have applied. Once you're clicking in your profile, the dark theme will be there and that one you can choose. Otherwise it will be available in white background. Okay, once open this one, just you can click over here, see on super charts. Once you are clicking this one, automatically this charting will open over here. This is a way it will open. So once open this one, we are going to apply for the baseline chart. So what is baseline chart? This will be the simple technique. Okay, so base in a sense we are putting one line. Base is what we need to put for one support. If you're taking for 100, okay, for base how much you will fix? It will be 50, right? You can take it for any game, for basketball or volleyball or tennis. There should be a line is available. You should not cross that line, right? That line should be a baseline. As the same way, from here one line we are fixing, that line we call it as baseline. That line we can keep it as 50%. So if it is going above that line, we can consider as bullish. If it is coming below that line, we can consider as bearish. Okay, in a practical way only that we are going to look in this video. So from here it is available like this. In order to change for the pattern of this respective chart in a sense, you can go over here. Right now it's available for bar. If you're changing as candle in a sense, this is a way it will change for candle. But right now we are looking for baseline. So as the same way you can come down, it's available like baseline over here. So you can click this one as baseline. Now everything will be in green color and from here only it will be in red. Why? Because baseline not set in a proper way. Why we are setting baseline as 50% in a sense? The historical data will be available whatever below 50 as well as for the above 50. Okay, everything will be the historical prices with the help of what is historical price? The previous price. Okay, whatever happened right now, if I'm taking in a sense whatever happened right now, what's the timing? It will be in 22:38, right? So whatever will be happened for before, that is today market close, until that it will be available. Okay, so whatever happened at previous, that we can call it as historical price. So that is what available over here. So we have selected baseline. The baseline chart. Okay, so right now we are going to fix it. So from the cursor you can bring it over here. Okay, and click at some point. Once you are clicking this point, just you can click for double click. Suppose if it is not coming in a sense, you can go over here. Okay, from the settings, one click you can click. So it will open like this. See here, the base level it is available for 19. That's the reason from here it's showing red is very low, 19% only we fixed. Rest all factors will be show like green only. So right now what we are fixing, the baseline will be 50. So 50% we are fixing and click as OK. Right now you can look, this is what the line will be, 50%. In order to say, for example, suppose if you are changing in a sense, you need to click this respective line. Okay, one click and you can cross check. It will be 50 or something like that. Say for example, I'm clicking over here. Okay, I am clicking from this point. Okay, I am clicking over here as 100. Okay, so what will happen? Everything will be in red. So everything will be uptrend only, it will show. Say for example, I'm clicking, everything will be, right now I'm fixing as 0%. See here, everything will show like green. So that's the reason we are fixing for 50%. Okay, that is, we can call it as 50 percentile. So above 50%, let me fix for 50% over here. Okay, so this is a baseline. We can keep it as a support line also, we can keep it. Okay, the above support line, if it is go in a sense, that is a bullish. So this line, call it as baseline. Okay, so in this line, right now simply I will put for one horizontal line over here. Okay, let me choose horizontal line. I keep it here. Okay, so this line as a baseline. So once touch this line and above, the movement will go in a sense, that is a bullish. Okay, so one viewer also raised the query for price breakout, and this will be helpful for price breakout also. Price breakout, many technical tool will be there, and this will be the simple tool you can identify for the price breakout. Okay, how you can identify for the price breakout? Once this respective line, it will be touched, and if it is going in a sense, that is a bullish market, you can take a trade. Okay, you can buy for respective stock. As the same way, from here it is touched and it is coming down in a sense, you will think that the price will goes down, so you can sell a respective stock. So this is a way also you can take a decision also. Okay, and this baseline chart will be helpful for comparing the respective stock with the index. Okay, while you're comparing with the index, say for example, I have taken for Emirates NBD over here. Suppose if you want to change for the respective company, you can change it over here for ADIB. Okay, I'm changing over here for ADIB. Okay, this is a way the company you can change it. At any company you can change it. Okay, from here only you need to change for the company. So same stock I will take it, because it will get confused, right, for you people. So that's the reason I'm taking for same company, Emirates NBD. Okay, let me check the 50% only. Okay, so from here you can take it. The first thing, you can compare with the stock price movement with the index price. Okay, so right now you can check over here. Let me delete this horizontal. If you're zooming in a sense, horizontal line will change it. Okay, so that's the reason. In order to, you need to keep it here, or else click this one and you can delete. From here the baseline is available. Okay, right now you can say particular stock will be in bearish or bullish. It will be in bearish. Okay, see here, it will be in downtrend. So earlier, if you're a subscriber as well as viewer in a sense, you could know, as you are doing for trading, you should know when stock price will goes up, you should know the reason. When stock price will come down, you should know the reason. Then only you will be a good investor, then only you are involving for the stock market, right? So from here the stock price goes down. So when onwards it's falling, see from here the first fall will happen over here. So the first fall happen over here in a sense, the reason is also available here. What's the reason? Come down, from here it's available D. Just you can click this one. Okay, once you're clicking this one, it will show you dividend. X date will be Wednesday 5th March. So 5th March will be the X date. Normally if you're getting for a dividend, everybody knows on X date the share price will fall down. How much dividend they are providing, that much the share price will goes down. Say for example, they have provided for 1 dirham in a sense, that much the stock price will come down, the X dividend date. And this is also the viewer asked for X dividend date, what will be the share price moment, right? So this will cover for that information also. On X date the share price will comes down, how much dividend they are providing, that much will come down. So that's the reason the stock price will goes down. Reason is also provided over here. As the same way, you can come this side also, just you can track it. Okay, from the mouse you can press for control as well as in right click, in a sense it will come down. And see from here is also there should be a heavy fall, right? So what's the reason? From here you can click the symbol E is available, right? Click this one. So it's showing for earning and revenue. Why it has fall? They estimate for the revenue 11.25 billion. Okay, they estimated 11.25, but they reported actually they received 11.19 billion only, right? I expected more. I expected for 11 billion. Okay, I got it for 10 billion. In a sense, what? So investor perspective, it will be a negative, right? There should be a decrease in revenue. So that's the reason the price will fall down. Understood? So when the price goes up, you should know the reason. When the price comes down, especially for the come down, they will given for the reason of these things. Okay, so by that way you can take a decision of it, whether you need to take a position or no, you want to buy a respective stock or no. Once get this information, after day, say for example on 30th, one investor is coming and looking for Emirates NBD without checking these kind of charts. If they are buying, in a sense, surely it will account for the loss, right? So this charting technique will be very helpful to you. This will be a baseline chart, will be a basic level chart to identify whether you need to take a position or no. Okay, it will be in bullish or no. Respective company, we can compare with index, whether it is uptrend or downtrend. Okay, these all the detail you can take a decision of it. Okay, I think this simple meaning as well as for simple example will be helpful to you. If it is helpful, in a sense, you can subscribe this channel as well as follow and share to your friends for baseline chart techniques, how you can predict the price, how you can take a position. Okay, the price moment also we have learned from this respective technique. Okay, if you like, in a sense, you can comment below. Then only I can do it for more indicators as well as technical analysis. How much of support you are giving, that much of videos will come out. Okay, thank you everyone. Thank you for watching this. Bye.